I'm going to show you how to find the extended texture budget option on FiveM. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So basically what this feature will do is that it will increase the hardware that is dedicated to FiveM. So this way your game will run smoother and you will have a better performance. So all you need to do is open the menu by pressing P and then go to configuration and graphics. So once you are here, you need to scroll down until you see extended texture budget and then adjust it by using the left and right keys. So as you can see at the top, this is the video memory that is assigned to FiveM. So make sure you set it somewhere on the green or the yellow range, because if it's on red, that means that you are using too much video memory and that might result on crashes or some errors. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.